accidental injury, vandalism, or theft, or having some unwanted guests move in permanently on your new project site is what you risk in an improperly abandoned construction project site. Whether you're an owner, developer, or a general contractor, abandonment of a construction project is one of the worst things you can experience, and insurance may not cover the worst that could happen. Abandonment of a construction project occurs when a contractor is no longer able to perform work on a project or when a site has been shut down for an extended period of time with no clear direction as to when the work will resume. This can happen for many reasons, including the prolonged existence of a stop work order. Given the uncertainty surrounding the current crisis and when businesses can safely resume normal activities, many projects that were ordered to stop work as a result may in the near future become abandoned. If a contractor is not able to start, remobilize, or complete work on a project in a reasonable amount of time after conditions return to normal, this may result in an abandonment that could be considered a breach of the underlying agreement. Abandonment of a construction project without a valid legal excuse will likely be cause for disciplinary and other legal actions against the contractor. When facing a potential abandonment situation, there are 3 things that an owner, construction manager, or design professional must do immediately to prevent exposure to serious risk. First, contact everyone. Get in touch with your contractor by phone and in writing. Inform them of the suspected abandonment and find out exactly when they'll be back on site. Document all your efforts. Get your construction attorney involved in the effort as early as possible. If you suspect an abandonment, you'll also want to get the performance surety involved, as they may have stronger pull with the contractor to get them back on site. Also call your insurance agent or adjuster and inform them of the potential abandonment. Be as proactive as possible in communicating with the various players and determining whether the project is indeed abandoned. Next, if the project is abandoned, or if you cannot determine definitively that it's not, take immediate action to avoid an unsafe condition or hazard. First, ensure all power not required is shut down. Second, ensure all flammable liquids and gas are removed from the site. Turn off water supplies. Remove and empty all trash containers and secure on-site garbage dumpsters. Fifth, lock up the site and provide a security patrol or remote monitoring during the shutdown. This is important to keep people from straying or moving onto your property during the abandonment. If you need ideas for cost-effective ways on how to do this, contact me by email. Sixth, provide a list of emergency numbers posted at the entrance of the site. And seventh, notify the police and fire departments that the project is currently abandoned, and provide a layout plan for the fire department on the most current positions of hydrants and risers. Finally, document everything from the condition of the site and the equipment to all preventative actions taken to secure the site and make it safe. Document all impacts, financial or otherwise, related to the abandonment. Your construction attorney will be able to help you with appropriate documentation and thinking through the potential issues that you may be facing. If you need help working through a suspected or confirmed abandonment and you don't already have a construction attorney, my team and I would be happy to talk with you. Whether facing a stop work order or an abandonment situation, there are immediate steps that you need to take to protect yourself, your project, and your financial interests. It is critically important that you document everything, all communications and actions taken to either respond to a stop work order or an abandonment. Put a plan together for the steps you'll take to uphold your end of any agreement. Make sure you secure and close down the site appropriately. Coordinate with key trades and suppliers for demobilization and then remobilization as appropriate. If and when insurance gets involved or litigation becomes inevitable, your proactive efforts to communicate clearly and document the situation well could mean the difference between you winning or losing a huge legal battle. Finally, seek competent construction legal advice. If you or your project team are dealing with a stop work order or construction project abandonment situation, contact a construction attorney with experience in contract delay litigation, insurance coverage disputes, and bonding issues. If you believe the stop work order was issued improperly, contact an attorney immediately to ensure preservation of your claims and defenses. An experienced attorney with a solid understanding of how to proactively and practically deal with challenges and potential hazards related to the stoppage of work or a project site abandonment can help avoid potential harm to you and others and serious disruption to existing business and long-term relationships. You've been watching construction attorney Michael Kelly. I hope this has been helpful. Until next time, I'll see you on a job site.